Financial intelligence, the missing link for senior executives and board members. Do you or your board members or senior executives struggle to read financials? Can you detect smoke screens and liability lookouts with ease?
Do you wish you had a more impactful contribution in executive on board meetings?
If you had more financial knowledge? The world is moving on, and in order to contribute effectively to the overall resource mix of the company and to become a valuable board partner, human resource directors must upscale their competence by understanding financials of the company. That knowledge will not only have a positive impact to your work, but will also facilitate and accelerate your decision-making process. In order to meet this important and crucial need, Rent a Director has developed a cutting-edge toolkit called Finance for Directors and Executives, which is designed and focused on giving you the full insights on financials. It covers financial analysis, ratios, tax and other efficiency strategies, 9 board questions on cost reduction, budgets, the 4 pillars of effective financial management, and much, much more. You'll be able to accelerate your financial knowledge within 6 weeks of using this program on a consistent basis in the comfort of your own home. Subsequently, you will gain clarity of the financials in any relevant aspect of your assignments. This easy-to-use program comes with a full-color manual, a workbook, and 7 high-density multimedia DVDs developed by professionals. We believe this to be the game-changing solution for you and your organization. This program has got a Green Light Status Award for technology of exceptional potential by the UK Trade and Investment. And the good news is, not only you, but also your senior executives as well as your board members can use this program to make profound impact to the growth of the organization. And we also have a 2-day Finance for Directors workshop available if you wish to have a practical experience. And we offer corporate coaching services for any senior executives like you. Other programs are also available. Do not miss this opportunity. You can order by contacting inquiries@rentadirector.com or call +44 0797 167 5837 for more details.